Statement pieces that you need in your closet that will definitely elevate all your looks. Statement pieces are pieces of outfits, accessories, or jewelry that actually instantly give you a different look. That's a conversation starter. Anybody sees you, they want to ask you, where do you get that? So let's get into it.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go.
I talk about fashion, travel, lifestyle, and I do believe if you look good, you feel your best. So let's get into certain pieces I do have in my closet that you guys have to do and get in your closet to actually help you to elevate all your looks. Going to talk about is this very large summer hat. If you don't have a very big summer hat, what are you doing? You need a very large hat for you to be able to cover yourself for this and to get those banging Instagram pictures. So this hat I got maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and it has lasted me for years. Very, very big. You can look for nice raffia type of scarf. This is the mixture of raffia and Ankara together. So this is perfect. It gives you great looks in all your pictures and also to cover you from the sun. I believe if you have something as big as this and you're packing your baby, it's going to help your baby and cover both of you. Anyway, this is the art on me. Very, very nice and chic. So it is a very massive art and it's something that people will see when you wait and say, hey girl, where did you get that? Or how did you get that? Something like that. So this is a very nice statement piece you need to have in your closet. I like jewelry on this channel. So jewelries are something that you need to elevate your look, but you can go for basic fine thing jewelry like this one or for certain pieces like this. So you can see normally if I should wear this, someone will ask you, where did you get this from? This is really, really nice. Are you a personal shopper or something? I've gotten so many questions about how I get my jewelry and I've told I shared people, okay, I get some of them from Instagram brands, some I get it from normal online websites like Shein, AliExpress, and all that. But this is very, very nice. You can also get some from Jumia anyway. So this one I got gifted for me by a friend. It's a very nice statement piece to have in your clothes. It's a bold, chic type of a bracelet, and it's really, really nice. It's not your regular bracelet. Another type of bracelet I got. If you guys are not aware and have not watched my trends video, you know that bone cuffs are back again. This type of bone cuff is a dupe of the Tiffany bone cuff. It looks so much like it. And this is a very nice statement piece to have your player. I just fit it in my arm. Let me wear it for you guys to see. And the first time I wore it out, I was trying to purchase something. The lady that saw me was like, "Oh, I like your bracelet. This is really, really nice." I would not wear this two necessarily together, but the bone cuff is a nice statement piece. So you can be you just dress basically and you wear this, and someone's going to ask, where did you get that? This is a very nice statement piece to have because if you can get something similar. Also, I have it in mind to use this for my hair. So if you are someone that have hair that you can pack up to your hair, so you have to add this to it and it will give you an elevated chic look. It's very, very good when you do something like dreads on your hair. This will be a very nice statement piece to pack right in the pot, and I love this. Then the Bottega teardrop earrings. They are really nice statement pieces to have. I've gotten a small miniature one. There are bigger ones that are still heavy, but this is a dupe of the Bottega earring, and I love it. It's something that when you wear, someone will be like, "Oh, this is really nice. Where did you get that?" So I love to wear pieces that will get people to want to ask me how do I look, and these are nice statement pieces to have. Then another statement piece I do have, and I recommend it because brooch abakri style is this kind of brooches. This brooch is really, really beautiful. I have another one. I don't know whether to share it or should get keep it until I bought mine because I don't want anybody to tell it out. So this brooch is a very unique style brooch. Very, very nice. This is a Loewe anagram brooch dupe. It's a dupe of it. This is not the real Loewe brooch, but yes, it's something that you can use to elevate your look. You can use it to style your top in different ways. You can use it to create different designs. You can use it to elevate your look and also add it to your default parts that we like adding brooches, which is your left part of your chest. And you can see it still look good with this. So people will be like, oh, this is really, really nice. So this is statement piece that sometimes you just wear and people will be asking, girl, where did you get that? This is really, really nice. You get people to ask you, this is they will always give you nice compliment when you have great statement pieces in your closet. So let's get into some accessories and clothes that I have as a statement piece. Start with this bag. It's a stripe bag. When I got it and I saw it, I actually liked it when I saw it on the website and I got it. But when it came here, I didn't like the fact that it just have a snap to cover it. For me, when I'm getting tote bag, I like tote bag that will zip and post probably have a snap. It doesn't have inside pocket, but it's a great statement piece. Like if you style your outfit, basic neutral outfit, and you add this, You get people looking at you, people asking where you get it from. This is a very nice element piece. Anytime I take this to the office, I get so much compliment because it's a very nice, unique print. It is stripes, and you know, stripe is a kind of old money vibe. It makes it seem like your outfit is elevated and chic. It gives you this nice old money vibe. And we also know that black and white are very nice neutral colors that go together and pop. So this is really, really nice. I love the unique design, something that always gets so much compliment whenever I wear it. And I love the fact that this has a bigger strap. So if I don't want to put it at the shoulder bag, like when only like a top handle bag, I mean, so you can wear it as a shoulder strap or even cross body it. You can adjust it, which is really, really nice. My own downside with this is that it gives you that pop of statement piece, but it is not really practical because anybody can put their hand in your bag and take it just because that's a thin strap on front. The other statement piece I got, which it was a very like me and this particular bag, we saw each other and we're like, no, we're not friends. I saw it on the website and I had to choose it under let's say under the US, or I just have to choose it on the spot because I needed what I wanted from this particular brand sold out. So they had to give me a replacement. So I got this bag and I was like, what is this? But really, this bag is nice. So it is, you would say it is the kind of bag that you say it is obnoxious and beautiful at the same time. It's a very nice bag that I usually typically wear to work. It's very unique and beautiful. The straps to me, I almost thought this was too masculine for me, but whenever I wear it, I still feel okay and I have to adjust the strap. And I always get upset with this other part that is extended, and I'm like, what type of design is this? But if I could possibly take this away from it and carry it like this, I would. This bag is very, very big. It can fit in so much. It's a very nice bag that can fit in up to your normal laptop. This is something you can use to go to work, something you can take to cafes, something if you're using a co-working space for your business and you need something to fit in your laptop and all that. So this is a very nice piece to have. It's giving this feel of normal boho chic Bottega vibes, but it's really, really nice. Typically, I've always wanted that Bottega Jody big size because I always see some of my friends as well and I love it. But I got something that looks like it but not as beautiful. But this one also has its own vibe and it fits in as much as possible. So if you wear a normal basic cloth and put this handbag, you will always get that compliment that this bag is nice, it's beautiful. Where did you get it? When I saw it on sale. I was like, okay, it's an opportunity to add this to my closet. It's a very nice, unique print loafers. When you look at it from when you get it, you assume okay, this is more like a sandals, but no, it is a loafers with a very, very unique print. So with the prints, I could style it with purple, I could style it with blue, I could style it with different colors on the print. And I can also style with colors that actually complement this type of print. It's a very, very nice statement piece you can have in your closet. Something that when you wear, you definitely get people asking you where did you get this from. And I can't even wait to try it on because since I got it, I only wanted to take some content, but I'm still going to wear it out to the office and see that reaction that people will definitely ask where did you get this from. So that's what a statement piece typically does. It's something that will always pop out and when you're pairing statement pieces you should always make sure that you don't pair more than two statement pieces together, but sometimes it can look like it can look frumpy, can look like you did not put so much effort into your outfit. So this is a nice statement piece to have in your closet. Then another statement piece I want to talk about is this sunglasses. I'm such that I like to shop for dupes of many designer brands, and if I can get the beauty designer themselves, I do get it. So this one I have, it is a popular Loewe dupe sunglasses. But I just have one issue with it. Though it's a nice statement piece in my closet currently, I just feel like it doesn't fit my face the way it's supposed to be. But what do you guys think? Comment down below if it's nice on me because I feel the lip version is too big for me, or maybe I should go for a smaller frame for the sunglasses. But yeah, this is nice. Yes, it looks, I feel like this is too big for my face, but it's fine. And I wish this part of it is thinner, but yeah, this is what I got and I love it. Whenever I go to the beach, I feel like this is the opportunity for me to pull it out because I'm not really a sunglasses girl, so you rarely find such things in my closet. But this is a unique statement piece to have if you can get your hands on it. There are several brands that can give you dupe of sunglasses. You can go to Amazon, you can go to AliExpress. AliExpress is the when it comes to all these dupe, and you can also check the reviews before you buy such. So this is really, really nice. Then another statement piece I want to talk about is this unique belt. This is also a Louis Vuitton dupe line, but it's a Louis Vuitton dupe belt, which I love and is unique. Something that though I've had it for a while and I've only styled it once, but it's something that you wear that will get you that attention. And people will always say, okay, girl, why did you get this? So this, I wish I got it in black because I wanted something that will be a pop of color and also be a nice statement piece. So it's a very unique statement piece, but the issue is that this is red. I wish it was black, and I do love it. Then another statement piece I got that I have abandoned for a while is this style of belt. So this is the belt that gives you this corseted vibe. It helps you to cinch your waist if you're such that want to cinch your fupa and all that. It's a very nice statement piece that will help you to also make your body look better and also give you that statement attention or something. So this is a very nice statement piece for you to talk about is scarves. Scarves are unique statement pieces you need to have in your closet. This is one scarf I recently got and I've never stopped looking for a reason to wear it and wear it on your neck. The different scarf styles that you can do. And scarves, I don't know if I can link the name of the girl's YouTube video that I always see. She makes scarf look like an essential in your closet. Scarf, you can wear it to work, you can have it to your dresses, you can wear it with a normal top and give you a normal elevated shape look. Scarves, if you have unique silk scarf, I know to introduce it into your clothing. It's a nice statement piece that is also budget friendly for you to have to closet. Everybody can have access to scarf. A unique silk scarf with nice print. This kind of print you always go for. This one has more like navy blue and other colors. So you just go for the navy blue and it will easily blend. Or it has brown, always brown. So this is a very nice statement piece to have your closet. You can wear your scarf on your hair just to tie your head because many girls like to tie their hair this period. As this scarf is trending, a very nice unique piece to have. So if you guys need something that is stylish, that is timeless, that you can wear any time of the year or all year round, it's a very nice thing for you to get. Get yourself some scarf because it's a very cute statement piece to have. And also you can also see different ways you can incorporate it into your looks, your daily look for going out, for running errands, even if you just basically tie it on your head, something that will definitely make your outfit pop. Then this is one of my statement piece. It's a rare gem that it is from a brand New Look. Yes, this brand is New Look. I saw this one in a thrift store and I couldn't wait to buy it. Those that kind of thrift store when you find something and you have to pay down and say, okay, I'll get it later. So this is a very nice statement piece. Every time I wear it, I get great compliment from it. It's a very cute statement piece. And secondly, I've never really used the belt for me because I don't need it. I just like it at the back. But you can see this is very nice conversation starter. I will insert something that you see how I style this several ways. This is really, really nice. Something that I've had in my closet. I'm so happy I got it when I saw it because everybody will always tussle to get these things. It's a very nice thrift find that I found and I really love it. It goes so well with most of my outfit. It's a very nice fit to wear to work. I wear it any day of the week to work. I can also wear it going out. Whenever the weather is quite cold, you can wear this over your dress. It is quite warm, soft, and not just soft. It's actually practical and gives you that statement look like one something that is unique and give you that statement look. So that's it for my statement pieces in my closet. You really, really like. For me, I would highly recommend to get scarves. Then if you can get your hands on a dupe of the Tiffany bone bracelet, or if you can get any type of vinyl cuffs. That is really, really nice statement piece to have. You can get in silver, you can get in gold. I have nice for two silver cuffs that I will get maybe later in the year. But this is really, really nice, thin and unique. It's not heavy at all. And something you can easily incorporate to your clothing. Then a necklace that is like this is very, very nice. So this is more like I can wear it as a choker style. I can wear it just as a normal dropping necklace, which I actually do love for me. Then this Loewe belt, if you can get is you can get it anywhere. It's a very nice belt. You can just give yourself. I recently knew heard that it was Loewe. Then please brooch, brooch. Try and get brooch into your closet because you will definitely need it. It's a very nice statement piece. If you know how to use brooch, you realize that you need one in your life. Now, about another one in life that's on my radar, I want to get. I'm already eyeing it. Then for this kind of belts, it's a very nice belt if you're trying to just stop all your fupa in and it also makes you have a a silhouette of or an illusion of figure eight. This is a very nice thing to have. It cinching your waist and gives you that, makes it look like your hip is bigger, and it's a very nice statement piece to have because it gives you that tension that is necessary. Then you need some statement bags, especially stripes. So for me, this stripes bag, I have a love-hate relationship for it, but yes, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, comment below your favorite statement piece that I featured till another time. Bye guys.